Hey guys, take a guess what this video is gonna be about. That's right, if you know how to read, then you already guessed that today we're gonna steal the bread from the fast food. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make chicken popcorn at home. This is a cheaper, healthier, and tastier way than buying it at a fast food place. So, enough talking, let's get to work. Add about 3 cups of water, which is roughly 750 milliliters. The hot water will allow your spices to open up better, which will get your chicken a way nicer taste. Besides the water, you'll also need some flour, obviously some chicken, lemon juice, some chili flakes, or if you have grounded red pepper, then use that, garlic salt or garlic powder plus salt, as well as some peppercorn, Italian herbs, and some salt. For your first step, if you're gonna use peppercorns as well as chili flakes, not grounded red pepper, then you would need a mortar and a pestle. And for that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take some peppercorns up to your taste, or if you're lazy, then just use the amounts that I've listed in the description and put them in the mortar. And then just dump your chili flakes in there, as well as your Italian herbs. And now just start grinding it. Once you're done grinding everything that's in the mortar, then just add it to your water, as well as all the other spices. So lemon juice and the garlic salt, in my case, or garlic powder and salt if you're gonna use separately. Give it all a nice stir until the garlic salt dissolves in there. And this is the marinade that you'll get. Now here's the important part. If you're actually gonna use boiling water like I did, then what you wanna do is you wanna wait for your marinade to cool down. If you're just gonna dump your chicken right in there, what's gonna happen is it's gonna start cooking, which is not what we're doing because we're deep frying your chicken. If it starts cooking, then your chicken is gonna be spoiled. It's not supposed to be boiled, boiled. It's supposed to be deep fried. Set it aside, and now let's start working with our chicken. So take your chicken fillet and just cut it into strips first. And now into cubes. Make them as big as you like, but keep in mind that they're supposed to be a bite size. Unless your mouth is as large as a cave, then you want to make sure that they are sort of, you know, something like this, maybe a bit larger than that. Finish up with your chicken, and as soon as it's done, dump it into your marinade. Give it a nice mix. Use your hands, knife, spoon, whatever you like. And once you're done mixing it, you want to stick it into the fridge for like at least 2-3 hours and make sure that it marinates well. When your chicken is about done marinating, for me it took about 3 hours. What you want to do is take some oil, as usual, any oil you like, sunflower, canola, whatever, and just pour it into a pan where you're gonna sort of deep fry your chicken. Don't be cheap on oil. Even if you use like a liter of oil, it's still gonna be cheaper cooking this chicken at home than buying it in a fast food restaurant. Now put your oil on the stove and start warming it up for like 4 to 5 minutes on high heat. And here's what you're gonna do next. Grab a bowl, grab a strainer, and just dump all your chicken in. The reason why you need a strainer is because you can use this marinade again. So that way you won't have to waste any ingredients making it all over again. Strain it well. And move it over into your flour. And now just start playing with your chicken. Make sure that it's all covered in flour. This is very important. The role of the flour in this recipe is to make sure that it retains the juice. If the pieces of chicken are not entirely covered in flour, then what's gonna happen is the juices are gonna come out. First of all, that means your chicken is gonna end up dry. Second, that means that if you ever dropped any water or an ice cube into hot oil, and warning, don't do it at home. What's gonna happen is your oil is just gonna start flying all over the place. Now let's grab a plate and move about half of your chicken pieces over to the plate, and the rest can stay in flour. Now it's time to cook the chicken, so starting with one piece at a time. You drop it in and it sizzles, then you can dump the rest of your chicken in. Cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes until golden brown. It's better if you orient on time, but you can also do it by color. And once you dump all of them in, you want to make sure that you give them a nice stir so that they all don't stick together. Meanwhile, grab a plate on which your cooked chicken is gonna rest, and make sure that you cover it with paper towel or something like that. This is gonna be used to make sure that it absorbs all the extraneous oil. Let it sit there for 2 to 5 minutes to make sure that it slightly cools down. And just prepare your favorite sauce or dipping or whatever you like. I'm not gonna say what mine is. And just enjoy your chicken. So guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I really enjoyed making it. Listen to how crunchy this is. So good. I love this. So again, thanks for watching. This recipe is super easy to make. Way cheaper than buying it at fast food, like a restaurant or something. It's very tasty. So good. Anyways, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, leave a comment and a like. Share this video if you can, please. And enjoy your life, enjoy your food. Bye.